This patented technology allows blades to draw clean air from the top of the deck as well as below, improving airflow and increasing grass lift. The result is a smoother, more consistent cut and better grass clipping discharge. Our wide step-through makes mounting and dismounting easy and ensures comfort and safety. A heavy cast iron front axle provides superior strength, stability, and durability. The fender-mounted cutting height adjustment is easily accessible and ergonomically designed. Raising or lowering the deck requires no effort. Separate foot pedals give more control and make forward and reverse smooth and easy. Operated with pedals or fender shift levers, the hydrostatic transmission produces a smooth and variable forward and reverse speed. Husqvarna tractors are equipped with powerful high-specification engines featuring durable steel chassis for long-lasting service. Designed with the operator in mind, high back seats, comfort grip steering wheels, and other touch points ensure a comfortable experience while using the tractor. With the help of various accessories, our tractors use 3 different cutting systems. In addition to the standard side discharge system, 2-bin and 3-bin baggers and mulching kits are available.